Book of Heaven, Volume 2, May 19th, 1899. Humility is the safeguard of the celestial favors. This morning I felt a fear in me that it might not be Jesus, but the devil, who wanted to deceive me. Jesus came, and seeing me with this fear, he said to me,
"Humility is the safeguard of the celestial favors." Humility clothes the soul with such safety that the tricks of the devil cannot penetrate inside of her. Humility places all celestial graces in safety, so much so that when I see humility, I let flow abundantly any kind of celestial favors. Therefore, do not want to disturb yourself for this, but rather with simple eye, look always into your interior to see whether you are invested with beautiful humility, and all the rest, do not bother about anything.
Then he showed me many religious people, and among these, priests, even of holy life. But as good as they were, there wasn't in them that spirit of simplicity in believing in the many graces and the many ways that the Lord uses with souls. And Jesus said to me,
I communicate myself both to the humble and to the simple, because they immediately believe in my graces and take them into great consideration, though they may be ignorant and poor. But with these others that you see, I am very reluctant, because the first step which draws the soul near me is belief. And it happens that these ones, with all their science and doctrine, and even holiness, never experience a ray of celestial light. That is, they walk along the natural way, and they never arrive at touching, even slightly, that which is supernatural. This is also the reason for which, in the course of my mortal life, there was not one learned, one priest, one man of power among my followers, but all ignorant and of low condition, because these were more humble and simple, and also more disposed to make great sacrifices for me.
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus's lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring His kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.